Welcome back to Near Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Aero 75, a new premium 75 from Graystudio. I know I'm super late to this video and I've been excited to take a look at this board for a while. First off, we have an accessory box. This contains our ribbons, not quite sure what you're supposed to call these, FR4 plate, hot swap PCB with flex cuts, and plate foam and PE foam. Here are two little branded tags that attach to the ribbon, an extra daughter board, and our artisan, which matches the case colors. Next is the main box. This contains some tools, including stab shims, gasket socks, a screw bit and some extra screws, optional PCB fixers, which are basically just screwless standoffs, extra LEDs, metal and plastic tweezers, a very nice screwdriver, gasket jackets, bottom feet, and a screw magnetizer demagnetizer. That's a lot of stuff. Finally, here's our case with case foam and ESD protective foam pre-installed. On to some basic info. Aero 75 comes in 8 unique colorways, and the option between an FR4 or polycarbonate plate. It only comes with a hot swap PCB, which only has the option between stepped or regular caps lock. Every option besides Storm, which is E-coded, will cost $409. Storm is an extra $20, making it $429. I've got TX stabs in here lubed with 205 grade 0 and BTC. We'll add on the plate foam, FR4 plate, and in here go stock Hoshizoras. Like mentioned before, you do get the choice between gasket socks and gasket jackets, and for this build I'll use the jackets. Now we can get to the main case. Graystudio's internal design has always been kinda confusing, involving a middle case that I don't think is entirely necessary. Finally, we can insert the inner assembly here. I'm going to screw the middle and top together again, connect the daughter board, and now we can screw the assembly into the bottom through these holes in the plate. On top goes GMK white on black because I unfortunately don't have the actual Mecha 01 set to match the board.